You all know that this Omogesiders issue, to be sincere, I'm very skeptical. I am skeptical about such things because of the fact that it's nothing good. That's why I didn't put and lay much emphasis when I talked about it in passing by. I didn't even title it because it's nothing good. The question is, there's no how I will talk about it that I wouldn't feel I'm making jest, or I am castigating, or I'm judging, or you understand? So I decided that I just really want to even understand the motive behind
she might go video YouTube by the Farabale before that she might play our video that she might play for 20 about and down my look about like a comment the show on the content where it's our episode of watching that was I think that look here to us so come up your Wapolo
proven beyond reasonable doubt that you had intent to buy this person, hence he will be convicted. Do you understand? If they do not find intent in it, they reduce your matter issue or case or charges to the prosecuting counsel, and as a defendant, they will try to plead manslaughter for you. Do you understand? So that they can reduce your conviction. So in this case, I tried my best as a woman to wonder within me that what could have happened between whosoever throughout that video and the person in the video. Do you understand? What offense? Because we are so sure that that video was not sent out by the person that owns that what we all saw in the video. Do you understand? And I must say that I eventually saw the second video that was speculated that because the person was seen with Adebutu's daughter in Desola Afort's car, smiling, not looking. So I then saw the second video, and for me, I don't think it's the same person. I don't think it's the same person. Not that I don't think, I know it's not the same person. The second video is, the person is not what's her name? Mortgage size stature is not like, she's not full like Okunto the video, and it was a voiceover, and they didn't show the face of the second video, and it was speculated that since she wasn't remorseful, hence the reason why they decided to send more video to back up the fact that the first video that went viral, or one or two videos that went viral, which was seemingly looking like the same day, that one is not her first time that she does it. It's a habit. She continuously sends her nudity to rich men, blah blah blah. Like I said then, I said to you people, I said I'm not going to delve into this matter because it's totally different from the case of Tiwa Savage. I think Tiwa Savage is the closest person that we have seen in this our so far in my lifetime. I will use my own that I know very well like this. So it's only Tiwa Savage that I have seen, yeah, so far, that we know, or I know. Maybe others, you probably have seen other people, or for me, Tiwa Savage. And you know Tiwa Savage was still tilly. In fact, we later heard that the guy had a bet that he was going to knock Tiwa Savage. He had a bet. And in fact, after a while, when Tiwa Savage granted an interview, at first, she first of all used body to carry him. Yeah, she sang and she said, Igbadu kekere yen, o fe kini kan. She used it in singing to just make our blogger. She gave all bloggers, she shaded them and made it look like, they made it look like a big deal. Little did we know that she felt it. She felt betrayed, but she didn't share the feeling then. But later on, she shared the feeling. She said the only person that concerns her, yeah, it's happened to her, and the only thing that concerns, or person that concerns her, is her son when he grows up in the future, to see that about. Even though she spent money, as far as internet is concerned, they've taken it off internet. But you know our people, some of them would have, of course, hidden it. Some of them will be using it to take custard. Some of them will be using it to wanky themselves. Do you understand? Some of them will be using it to wanky themselves. Be it young, be it old. Some of them will be using it to camera down themselves. Some people that are crushing on Tiwa Savage, they don't mind using it to, the same way we watch Blue Film, they will be using. So some people, obviously, and that can't be erased. So God forbid, in the future, you won't be surprised if it emerges again for the child of Tiwa to see such a video. So she really was heartbroken. Now, that is a lesson on its own for any sane person. You know, how old is Tiwa? Tiwa is in her 40s. Yeah, for any sane person. You understand that? And Tiwa at this point now is saying she doesn't even mind being a second wife or third wife. And the reason is that as far as some people, in quotes, trolls are concerned, you will see them typing after you have shown your whole everything. If you have seen the inside, seen it come out, then you are now saying that you want to be second wife. To who? Where will it happen? It can happen. I'm not saying it's not going to happen, because I'm not God and I'm not individual personality. You understand? People like Tiwa is now an American can marry her. Some Nigerians can. You never know. Do you get what I mean? So let us stop there. It's not about Tiwa. It's just so that you know that we have seen this before, but it happened like a betrayal. Yeah. But in this case, when I saw Omoge Saiso, I see a 55 years old lady. I learned she's 54, going to 55. I see a 55 years old lady. Personally, doing it to herself, not just enjoying it, recording herself and doing it. You understand? So it's two different videos. So of course she recorded it, maybe for keeps, maybe for giving to, allegedly, that they said she gives to rich men, allegedly. Okay, so when I saw the video, that was the reason why I chose not to delve into it. because I personally thought to myself, she's an adult, she's 55, she's older than me. Yeah, she's at least 2 years older than me, almost 2 years older than me. Yeah, and also to think that at the age of 54, 55, you should know better. So I know that it is purposely and actually sent to somebody that she wants to allow the person see her. The only people I had empathy on is her children, because I learned she has girls. I may be wrong, you know. I learned she has girls. I just had empathy on them. You know, our people. In the future, if anybody wants to insult those children, in even people that are not, they've not shown their nudity, if your parents are not of good behavior, many people won't want their children to marry from that home. That's our culture. That is we. It does. I don't think Oyibo reasons. Oyibo too, they do. You will see Oyibo too, they discriminate too. Do you understand? But it all depends. Sometimes it's about you know, you can't marry from these poor people, you know. During Simbiat's lifetime and MKO Abiola, they didn't want her to marry Abiola because he comes from a poverty-stricken. His parents were paupers. So you get what I mean? It's just so you get what I'm trying to get there. So the kids are the only ones I had pity on, because I thought to myself, if we as parents, we have eaten, we are still eating, God allow us live long, by the grace of God, we'll live till 90, like Adebutu, we'll live even beyond as much as you want to, as long as God is willing. But as we are eating life, Baba Shen Jaye, we shouldn't eat the life of our children with it, because yeah, we have enjoyed, but if what we leave behind, our legacy and what we have done, may affect the life of our children. Like that girl that just wedded, I learned the husband is a pastor. You know, you can imagine mommy pastor now, she being a mommy pastor, and she wants to chastise people in the church. Do you know that they will be talking to her? Have you corrected your mother? You want to correct us? They've forgotten. People forget that the mother chose to live this life. The child may totally not be like that. Do you understand? So all those things were the only thing I think I took note of, and I said, when we are acting, when we are doing stuff, we should also remember that our children are also very important in this life. When we are eating life, we shouldn't eat the life of our children. So that it doesn't become. In fact, do you know that there are some homes you will enter into, they can decide to start insulting your child because of you. Hence, as a mother or father, you need to be careful in everything that we do, so it doesn't affect our children. Some kids, they want to marry. Some people may want to marry your children, and when they know that it's you, they will say no, because of your reputation or what you stand for in the society. Do you get what I mean? So that was the only thing I just felt about the matter. But when I then decided that, okay, let me leave my ears to really get to know what happened, Goku. What lesson are we learning, or have we learned from this Omagesiders viral videos? One thing I would like to correct, I've heard some people say stuff like, they saw a hair that her in between her leg is dirty. Sorry, I'm not here. I'm not a defender of anything. I don't know Omagesiders before from anywhere. In fact, the first time I saw her was that her lovely birthday she had in Nigeria. That was the first time I would say this is the person they call Omogesai. I only hear K1 sing praises of her name. So that, you understand, everyone that K1 has sang praises of their name, you would think you know them, but you don't know them. Do you understand? It was when she had her 50th birthday that made me to actually know her. That this is the person they call Omogesai Baga. And you know when Wasiu sings that song, if you don't know the person, the song is very sweet. That's the way I describe Wasiu's song when it's nice to the ear. When you hear Omogesai, if you are drinking something, you will drop your cup. Baga, you will stand up. Then you start to dance. So it's like a compound name. Do you get it? If you are a lover of Wasiu's music. So that's the first time I saw her, and I guess that is the last time I took note of her. Only that I know that is her song I know. Now, for those of you, you're looking good and face slimmer. Oh, thank you. It is well. Thank you, Bashi. Thank you, Beshi. Thank you, Beshi Mudashi. Now, for those of you that said the in between her leg is black and it is dirty, no, it's not dirty. It's not dirty. I want to just correct you so that you know that thing that you saw that is black is skin tag. I'm not a dermatologist, but I know it's skin tag. It has nothing to do with dirt, and it is not hair. In fact, she has clean shave there. Just so that I educate some of you that are clueless, yeah, about that. It is skin tag. And that skin tag, me too, I have it here. You see, you look at it. In fact, there was some that Beef's Beauty Care treated for me. You know, you can laser treat some. They do it, and some you can't treat it. It's just it can't be treated. You can burn some. You can go to your GP. They burn it too. See, I'm beginning to have one here. When it comes out more, you just pay 60 euro. They burn it per one. But in Nigeria, I'm just trying to see it here. It's skin tag. It's black. When it comes, if it doesn't grow, if it doesn't grow, and it's flat, there's nothing they can do about it. It becomes like that type that is on Omogesai's in between her leg. Do you understand? Some have it on the neck, some have it on the chest, some have it. It's most time in secretive, you know, places or during pregnancy. Yeah, some people have it. It comes out more. Yeah, if you are prone to it during pregnancy, you will see signs of it early. You know, when you were younger, you will see signs of it. After, it will disappear. But when you get to 40 over, you will start to see it. Some say that it's as a result of cream, hash cream. When I say hash cream, I mean bleaching cream. But I can tell you that it is not everybody that has it. In fact, majority of the people that have it don't even use cream at all. So if you are prone to it, maybe cream can make it come out early, but it doesn't have anything to it. It has to do with you. In fact, it is hereditary. Some people have it around their eyes like this. Some family just have it. Some around there, and some it will be so bad that they will start to say that what da eta or something. There's something they call diabolic. They will say they threw they threw it on that person. I mean what ta eta silara or something like that. No, it is skin tag. It is skin tag. And I must say another thing about that skin tag. If you look at Omogesai, jokes aside, she's using glutathione. All these people that take there's this thing that you are fair, she's fair, but not as fair as you know that thing Emanuela K1's wife is taking. They all take it. All these cream vendors, some of them, they take it. I don't know, gluten or something gluten. They take it. It costs a lot. You see that as an injection or a drip. It costs a lot. Maybe in Nigeria, the equivalent of per treatment, maybe like 2 point something million, like gluten. Thank you. Yeah. If you are fair, like me, I'm born fair, yeah, and you use gluten, you will become white. So it's from Omogesider now that I'm able to, sorry, I'm just having to explain all that I'm able to now see that gluten does not help that, doesn't help, it doesn't clear that skin tag. It doesn't help the skin tag. Assuming it can help the skin tag, it would have helped her. Yeah, it's hereditary because my dad has it. Most of my siblings have it. Tiny things, it's hereditary. It's in the gene. You see now, I've seen Sister being paid before, so I know. I can see. I saw yours. I saw you that you have skin tag. You know, so that gluten, pardon my. So some people take it through the IV. It gives you, it stops the melanin from. You won't be, everywhere will be white. That is what K1's ex-wife, Emanuela, all of them, they take. And she too, she's taking it. So that's why you people are able to see this conspicuous, that place. And if you notice, she was trying to, when she was doing the caressing, she tried to hide it. Not hiding, she wasn't comfortable really opening that part like that. It wasn't like, you know, she was trying to, so that whoever is going to look at it, you know, needs to be on ground with her to see that it is not death, it is skin tag. It is skin tag. I have skin tags, and I think the number increases as you age. Exactly, it's skin tag. So it's not death. Just, I'm not her lawyer. I'm only saying to you, people that do not know what it is. Some of you even have it, you don't know, as in you don't know that is skin tag. You are thinking it's hair. It's not hair. It's clean shave, but skin tags are there. And those kind of skin tags, they are the wide ones. There's nothing you can do about it, except she has to cut off her whole body from there. Or maybe there's plastic surgery they do. But nothing she can do about it. She's going to live with it like that. So that one, I hope I'm able to say that, and I expressed it very well. So we forge on. Now, I then saw a video. And the video, I'm sure many of you have seen it. I will play it if you want me to play it. Okay, let me just get the video for you people to play. Not, it's when they were welcoming Omogesider, and it was claimed that Baba Adebutu personally invited her. Meanwhile, stories have it, you know, allegations here and there, different people with their own, have it that Baba Adebutu claims he has never seen Omogesider or not have anything to do with her. That story, I'm sorry, Daddy Adebutu should come out and say it to all of us. Sit down like this in front of all of us and tell us that he doesn't know Omogesider. I will show you people something. I will show you people something. While I'm analyzing this thing, I will tell you people. Okay.
To fi welcome me fún 90th birthday. Ṣé wá rẹ́ni tó ń jó yìí ọmọ bàbá ni. Ìkan nínú àwọn ìyáálé ọmọ bàbá ni. So ìyáálé last wife tó dá fídíò síta, ó sọ pé kò gbọdọ̀ wá sí pàtí yẹn. Òun ló ṣe nǹkan tó ṣe fún. Ẹjọ́ nítorí ọlọ́kẹ́lẹ̀ mọ̀ pé last wife ní alábòsí ni. Ó mọ̀ pé bàbá ń fẹ́ Saida, kò dẹ̀ ṣe pé relationship pé kìíní lásán. Wọ́n fẹ́ra wọn dáadáa ni. ṣe ti ìkan náà ọmọ bàbá ló tún wá welcome ṣáídà yìí kẹ́ni gbọ́ǹkan tó ń sọ ní background máa padà play another video tẹ́ máa gbọ́ǹkan tó ń sọ ní background dáadáa kẹ́ni mọ̀ pé kò ṣe pé
Sister Shade, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ bá mi send it because eléyìí wọ́n tún kọrin níbẹ̀. Yeah, my code cancel. Please do. Thank you. Please do that for me. I will appreciate it. Now, let me tell you people one thing. See, the moment you are a lone parent, you are not a married woman. You are free to date anybody as long as it's not my husband. Do you understand? It's not my alowonle. Look with their own. Omoge Saida is free to date Okoya, to date K1, to date Adebutu, to date anybody. I'm not saying that it's free for your husband, though. I'm talking about the people we know in the society that they are polygamists. As long as she is ready, she agrees to it, and he agrees to it. Baba Adebutu, look at what is happening to this Omoge Saida. Is what K1 called. If Emanuela decides to also throw out what she has with her, the same way we are saying, is what we will say. The part sent, okay, I will see it now, sis. Thank you, sis. Yeah, this is it. Okay, oh, the same one, you know. Same one, you know.
So, last wife tó have video síta, ó sọ pé kò gbọdọ̀ wá sí party yẹn. Òun ló ṣe nǹkan tó ṣe fún. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí ọ̀nà kẹ́lẹ́ mọ̀ pé last wife ni alábòsí ni. Ó mọ̀ pé bàbá ń fẹ́ Saida, kò dẹ̀ ṣe pé relationship pé kìíní lásán. Wọ́n ń fẹ́ra wọn dáadáa ni. Ṣé ti ìkan náà ọmọ bàbá ló tún wá welcome Saida yìí. Kẹ́lẹ́ gbọ́ǹkan tó ń sọ ní background máa padà play another video. Tẹ́ máa gbọ́ǹkan tó ń sọ ní background dáadáa. Kẹ́lẹ́ mọ̀ pé kò ṣe pé
you can see that Abiba Adebutu is very close to her father. It's like Dami Masha to K1. See, this thing that is happening in the Adebutu's family, it also happened to Shade at a point. Because Shade herself, she came in through one of Okoya's children. She came in through one of Okoya's daughter who was in Unilag. Are you getting me? And before they knew it, because those ones, their mothers, you understand, were not in the house. They don't care about whose us is good. Do you understand? Do you get what I mean? K1, if Emanuela decides to give us what she saw, and she's been writing, they betrayed me, they shaking it con, and how the CCTV, how she was getting to see what K1 was doing when they didn't allow her come to Oju Shagbole, abi what do they call the palace? K1, when K1 realized what was happening, that was why K1 changed her. because he's still agile. Because he is still agile. Adebutu is dating this girl. What's her name? Sai. In fact, the house she owns in Magodo, from a reliable source, is from Adebutu. Adebutu. The party, that Malo, the Malo that was accused by, the Malo that was accused by people that she is the one that sent out size, video and everything, is a total lie. True, Malo's husband is dating Abiba or Adebutu. Boy out here in Farah, not dating. They are together. Abiba too doesn't like the wife that the father, that 40-something years old girl that is with Adebutu. And that girl, if you notice, she has been with Adebutu the same way Shade has been with Okoya. But Shade has been able to cut the feather of all her husband's children. Ó ti boycott wọn báyìí. Bàbá ò ti rí tí wọ́n rò. Débi pé ọ̀rẹ́ kan, you bring any of your friend to come and date Okoya. As you are bringing the person, your video is landing in Shade's hand. Because Okoya's phone is cloned. Allegedly. As Baba is now, there's nothing wrong with Baba. His brain is still very sound. But if Shade is cleaning Baba's mouth here, it's the same thing. His phone. Everything about his life. That lady with Adebutu, she knows that her husband is dating Sai, and Sai is enjoying her husband, and Baba has promised Sai, even now all this thing that is happening, Ofimagba billions in. I'm telling you people the truth. Baba has fucking Sai ballet, but he's as like Okoya to what in weak. They are weak. He's really weak. He's even older than Okoya. But Shade Boshewaye is smarter than all of them. In all the people that are going to marry our ancestors, Shade is the smartest. That's why she looks like an ancestress. I know she's some of you, your role model. I wish you all the best. I wish you all the best. It's okay to have role models like that. It's you people's life. But I must say my truth. Shade has cornered everybody. There's no way you will send that out to the man. The man can't perform anymore. All that was sent and he has in his phone is just so that he can be looking at it and be wiring billions. That's all. Money is nothing to Adebutu. Go and check his record. Money is nothing to Adebutu, and this is supported by Abiba, because Abiba doesn't like the woman there, and she's using her friend. She's using her friend to unsettle that home with the hope of at least her own mother is no more there. There's something that my father, we have to grab. Since they all know that the one there go, now grab, she can't grab. But she's like Shade Okoya. She has been there since. And I can tell you, if it is Shade Okoya that sees that thing in her husband's phone, she too, she will send it out. But you won't see it in her eyes and her mouth. Èèyàn kì í rí àjẹ́ níbi tó ti ń ṣẹ̀jẹ̀ lẹ́nu. It is a fight and battle within them, because she was already warned. That lady already sent out a message, don't come. Because she knows, she has seen everything in her husband's phone. Abiba is doing everything to make sure that girl side gets a lot from her father, because her mother is not kuku there, and she's close to the same way Dami is close to the father. But Dami knows that her father's brain is still very agile. This is exactly everything, the way it is happening. To son Shade, ko son Emanuela. Eléyìí kàkàkẹ́ ó fọ́ mi ní ẹ̀yìn, màá ṣòpò pa ẹni. Last wife Adebutu fi ṣe. They are the ones that sent out size video. They are the ones. They already warned her, don't come. I'm not saying Sai doesn't send it to other rich men. No, I'm not there. I can't defend it. But that with Baba Adebutu, yes. Baba Adebutu can't do anything anymore. All he needs is just to be looking at you and be he will wire billions, wire millions. That's all he needs. And Shade knows. Shade knows it's not a lying papa at all. Nobody is able to see that with Okoya. Shade and this girl now they enter Okoya and Butuna. This girl, they are the same age. They were friends before. I don't know if they are still friends. This is mafia. They chose to deal with Sai. Sai knows. Ìgbádùn owó gidi. And àwọn ọmọ yìí náà dẹ̀ fẹ́ gbà. Ó dẹ̀ jù wọ́n lọ lọ́jọ́ orí. Tí Emanuela bá ju tiẹ̀ sílẹ̀, gbogbo yẹn máa pariwo. But Alhaji is still agile. Orí Alhaji ṣì agile. Tó bá jù ẹ shock. That's why Alhaji mọ̀ pé idán wà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. Because àwọn recording tóun náà tó gbà. But Alhaji ó dà sí rough. If you see your nyash anytime and you will know the bed. Nígbà tó bá rí bed tí ó ti video ẹ̀ pé ojúgbà ṣálẹ̀ ni àbí kí ni orúkọ Palace Alhaji, wà ti mọ̀ pé Manuela ni. Are you getting me? So it is a battle of àwọn ọmọ orogún that their parents, their mothers are no more with their father, and they are ready to. They tried it with Shade, but Shade won eventually. She now won in a manner that the man now hated his other children. Allegedly. Ó mà ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ń bá wọn ṣe mà ní. Ó mà ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ń bá wọn ṣe mà ní àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ tó kù yẹn. She blocked, Shade blocked. You will never see, go and watch their occasion. You will never see any pretty person like this. Any pretty girl. Go. Shade will block. Mama form steals is because she doesn't want anybody to. She knows that if Baba just see you and go and like you and have opportunity to have anything to do with you, it's just for you to be sending that kind of thing. Magbe on your misori ate, madam ma forward jab yen. Baba mama send the wo sí mi, ó tún máa fún mi nílé, ayé mi mama make sense, mo fẹ́ ṣe party, oh my call Adebutu wants to, I want to have a party, how much is 10 million? They will give Alhaji to go and sing. What? Omo get side baga. When he's doing his birthday, did you see Alhaji came one day? No, it's Sunny Ade. He's rich, but Baba ti dagba. They are the ones that sent out the video, and they have warned her, assuming she didn't come for that party. The video may come out or it may not come out, but it was because she came and she was already warned, don't come. Because as far as they are concerned, that girl is concerned, ó fẹ́ wá bá òun ṣe rivalry. Ó fẹ́ wá bá òun ṣe rivalry. And Abiba is the one. Then the part of Malo that they were accusing Malo is because Abiba is now with Malo. You know, Malo that they were saying, they were accusing the lady too of dating Wasiu. If you remember, they were accusing that lady, don't date Wasiu. Oh, the lady and what's her this girl's name? What's this lady's name? What's Omo Yawo K1 the one Fatia. You remember they were lying that Malo and Fatia they were almost fighting and everything. That story is not true. Even though, you know, because of Alhaji's antecedents, Alhaji doesn't have good antecedents with women. So if you move with Alhaji or you always patronize his music or anything, people will say that you are sleeping with him. So and it's because, of course, on the son side, he doesn't have good antecedents. Antecedents obìnrin 0%. So I think with the way Alhaji was praising Malo that day, it's cut across to senseless people that Alhaji is Sulia Malo's and Sulia Malo they are having something. Do you understand? I can't defend it. As what we don't see, we can't say it's happening. Yeah, but because of Alhaji's antecedents, that is why such accusation will come up. You can't go around Alhaji. Wife, single mother, child, house girl, they will say you are knocking Alhaji. And this is because of his antecedent. So people now form the story. Bam! On them that time. That Malo was at that party. And he came, Sulia's ex-husband, and he came not as a guest, he came as a partner to Abiba. And then people say it is Malo, the Sulia, that sent out this girl's nudity. I learned they were once friends. How far it is true, I don't know. And I really do not think it matters. But you too, if we are all reasonable, think about it. Even if yes, she too, Abiba too don't work her papa give you, sugar daddy don't date, how will she have this girl's nudity? It's only a man that will have her nudity. Do you understand? It's only a man that will have her nudity. And so only the wife of that man, that would see such a thing and think of it, which agile man that the brain is still very sharp will keep such things, if not for lives of Okoya, Adebutu. You understand? Àwọn bàbá tó ti dàgbà tí wọ́n mọ̀ kíní yìí lò mọ́ kíní wọ́n lò, but you know, because that lady, that story they brought out is face off. It's not true. It's face off. They've done meeting behind camera. They will settle this girl where. It is from them that they brought out Omogesiders nudity. The question you should ask yourself is, if you are a wife, will you do the same? àláìta láì kí n má parọ́ fún yín kí n má jalè lórí ilẹ̀ tí mo máa wò sórí ọlọ́run ọba rí inú orí ọkàn mi don't send a nudity to my husband ọkọ mi ò lówó tó Adebutu don't send this nudity to my husband if I see your nudity with my husband simple pé mo mọ̀ pé o ti ẹ̀ fọ́kọ mi ó máa dùn mí mo máa ṣe èpè tí mo máa ṣe fún ẹ that I know that mo ń bá ọkọ mi sùn ó máa dùn mí ọkọ mi ò náìtì o talk less of I won't share the nudity because I will fear God but wallahi I will make sure that all my husband's siblings the mother all of them I will see them that I will show them your nudity and I will be threatening them that I will send it out and nice ìjọra wa lọ ó máa dùn mí ni máa kékéké ó máa dùn mí so talk less of somebody that like Adebutu like that do you understand the girl couldn't stand it obviously that girl too that lady is also a pretty lady but she can imagine what the husband would have dropped orí ẹ̀ máa ti tàsé do you understand orí ẹ̀ máa ti fọ́ orí ẹ̀ máa ti scatter because she knows what she's enjoying if it is Shade allegedly ó máa sẹ́yìn wo by now ọmọdé ṣáídá á ti dàrọ ẹ̀yìn àyèdè ó máa ti lọ ṣògùn ní India allegedly àwọn ọmọ yẹn èbùkọ́ tí wọ́n ń tojú bọ̀ lórí àwọn bàbá yìí because they have money nothing is the cause of this even the Abiba that is close to the father if the father doesn't have money like that will she be doing what she's doing why people are angry towards Omogesaida is because Malo she's supporting her friend and they are saying that it is through her that Abiba got to know Malo. That one I don't know, allegedly. But people are saying Suliya is angry towards Omogesaida because she knows that how can she allow her friend to be with her husband. That's why people are suspecting Suliya. But it's not Suliya. Suliya is not the one. That Malo Suliya is not the one. Although I'm sure she's very happy what happened to Omogesaida. Do you understand what I mean? I'm sure she's happy, babe. Good for her. And Abiba, let me tell you one thing. You are not a good friend. You are not a good friend. You are not a good friend. Even though Saida doesn't care about her life. She doesn't care as long as money follows. Look at her forehead, you can see she's someone that goes to Mecca. Oman King Dede. She's more Keu. I learned her father is a sheik. So she knows Okeu Debiti won Kede. Do you understand? She's not a good friend because how can you allow, even when this has happened, how can you allow your daddy to do this to happen to your friend? Because you are enjoying Malo. I expect that all of you now, you Abiba, all of you should all share your nudity in support of Suliya. All of you should all bring out your nudity too. That is the only way that this thing can make sense to me. How can your father, you know that your father is that kind of person, maybe he's no more, his brain and everything is no more like it used to be. His wife is able to clone his phone and get all the information and everything. And this has happened to her. And you think it's okay? It's not okay. The whole problem came from you people's family. It came from, yeah, if it's me, I won't lie, yo. Ole ojú kòkòrò, òun ló lè. òun ló sún yín débẹ̀ o, but I won't lie to you people, it's too much. I'm telling you, if it is that your boy and punishment it will for on the side that kéré, plane tó bá wọ padà ó máa crash. Ẹ lọ bèrè. If you know you can't stand the heat, don't go and join these small girls to go and drag this ancestors. So if you can't feel you can't rìn. Ọmọ tí ò níyà ò kì í dégbò ẹ̀yìn. Haven't you seen some of them? Their mothers have turned to abuké. Àìríwọ́nú ọjà inú igbó láìrí abuké ọ̀kẹ́rẹ́. Àìríwọ́nú igbó ní àìrí abuké ọ̀kẹ́rẹ́. Their mother has long leg. You don't have long leg. You can't stay. You can't stand this. Just small girls. They read. Ó ti Deborah. Nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí ọmọge sáyẹn wàhálà ẹ̀ lọ kọ́ pé ó ti lọ. Owó nìkan ló kàn máa fi gbà àgbà billions, but nothing more. But títí láíláí wọn ò ní gbàgbé nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀. Títí láíláí they will not forget it. Just those girls